going to Paragon today. Ito yung hostel namin. And then there's Abby. Ito siya pinag-helmet ni Atachi. So, pupunta kami ngayon sa Paragon kasi dun yung meet up yung nabook namin na tour sa Klook. Kaya, let's go. 8:20 din. Yun siya Paragon. Actually, kanina pa kami nakandito pero nag-Starbucks muna kami. Yun, nahanapin natin yung meet up point para sa Klook. So, ayun yung tsura niya.
You have name on here?
This one. Jessie and Bailo.
Two people.
Yes, for two.
Jessie.
Jessie.
It's Jessie.
So, here's yung meeting.
Jessie and Bailon, right?
Yes, that's right.
Okay.
And then,
So
hanapin ko
we
yung name
still,
nila.
you're the first guest.
Oh,
You're
okay.
supposed to have the present from us. What you like? Two choices. The first one snack. The second one kiss from your guy. Which one you like?
You want the kiss?
I think you choose the first one. Are you just kidding? Sorry.
Yes.
In early morning we have to make a joke, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're still waiting for other guests.
Sure, no problem.
May I have your name and your passport number?
Okay.
Because this one is...
So, ito dyan na yung bus namin. Then, ay, doon pala sa likod. Hindi yan, hindi yan. Sa likod. Ah, dito nga pala yung sakayan nila. Hindi dito sa kabila kasi nandito yung driver.
And for the one, yeah, who arrived here in Thailand, maybe before we start the trip today, yeah, learn some Thai words before, okay? In Thai, if you are ladies, yeah, you always say Sawadika, yeah, Sawadika. If you are gentleman, you are man, yeah, you always say Sawadikrap. Yeah, and don't forget to do why like this, yeah. Sawadika, Sawadika. Yeah. First of all, let me say Sawadika. Yeah, okay. So let me introduce myself. Today we have two guys. You can call me Miss Orawanwana Sopa. Is it hard? I know you are clever, yeah? So, or you just call me Helen. Yeah, H-E-L-E-N, Helen, yeah? Yeah, glad to escort you today. We'll take care of you the whole
Kami na pudding. Dito na kami. So, dyan kami sasakay. $6 lang sa isang bangka. Pero 6 sila. Doon kami sa next. Oh, so tubak. Tada! May ibang house lang. Meron mga tindahan. Ay, shock. Yan, yung iba houses. Mga
How much this? That two side? Agad mo ko yung tabo.
Dito tayo ng coconut ice cream.
Coconut lang. Ay, may fresh coconut talaga.
Ang liit.
Oo nga. Ay, may pabulaklak. Thank you so much.
Thank you po. There. Abi ko. Gusto ko. Magbabayad ako. Thank you. So, try natin ang... Ay! May ul... Ha? Ang hirap pa binuhulkin. Hindi ako kinakain guys. Ito lang. Ay, may rice! Ice cream na may rice. Ang hinap ang konti. Try mo, may rice. Ang sarap. Ma?
I love Filipino. I love Pakistan.
Yeah, that's why. Give us.
Medyo mahal yung mga tinda nila dito. Kaya ang advice sa akin ni P. Helen ay doon bumili sa railway. Pero madami din mga pro. Yung Sunday, di ba? Sabi marami na yung open kasi nga weekend.
1:30. Yeah, the meeting point of the you can see the check-in point. The rest of all. Oh, then
Yeah.
in front. Okay, 1:30 please. Yes. Oh yes, that's great.
Spend your time.
So meron na kami half hour para maglakad-lakad. Right? So, ngayon, pupunta kami dun sa spot na. Ay, dito pala pwede oh. Ayan. Ayan siya. Pwede na. Ayan, so may mga bilihan dyan. Kanina nakasakay kami sa boat. May market. Pwede kami sa bridge ni Abby. Tuyo! Yun nilagay na. Okay, so now papunta tayo sa Hanoi Railway. Railway Market. Tayo doon. Lalakad tayo. At sobrang init. Kasi may payong. Tara, ready. May payong. Kasha sa maliit na bag niya. Payong. Good job for them. May long station. Tada! May long station. mga tent nila para makadaan yung train at 2:30. Yung dito, yung restaurant daw na pupuntahan namin is na dun sa last station. So may chance kami makapagpa-picture dun sa train. Yan din. Okay. We'll go together to the meeting point. Hindi ko alam kung paano makakadaan yung train dito. Later, you see. From Bangkok to Yangon. That's Abby.
Waiting for your friend, please. Yung pera mo. Waiting for our friend.
Here's the meeting point.
Here, please.
So, ayan, later, kapag dumating na yung train, i-close na lahat yan, mga tent na yan. Si Abby na dun sa loob para mag-reserve ng food sa may pagkakain. 8 minutes bago dumating ang train. Ayan, i-close na yan lahat, mga tents and everything. Yung iba kino-close na nila. Kasi nga 8 minutes na lang dadating na yung train. Kino-close na nila. Meron na? Marami nandito. Ayan, kino-close na nila yung mga tent nila. Kasi 7 minutes dadating na yung train. There's Abby. See, they open it na. Ay, they close the tents na. So, waiting kami dito para sa 5 minutes. Dito siya manggagaling. And then later doon naman sa kabila. Rice with noodles with shrimp. Shrimp all the way. Walk around and look for something na pagkakagastos. Pero Abby, gusto ni Abby yung mga ganyan elephant. Ay, there yung meron ng Thailand na nakalagay. Yun mo. Our essentials. Wala parang roll-on na ano. Na inaamoy. Tiger gum. That's 3 for 100.
Ah, รถไฟมาแล้วมาเร็วมาดูรถไฟเร็ว
Ganda ng ano na, tela. Ano?
ขึ้นรถไฟนะขึ้นมาเลยนะ
Bintang sa amin, bumalik sila. Tada! Wow! Okay. Done!
Fruit sketch and also from Kitui, yeah, she arranged this one for you. Yeah, one of the fruit, yeah. This is a longan, yeah. Loi loi gratong together. Loi loi gratong. Loi loi gratong. Loi gratong กันแล้วขอเชิญน้องแก้วออกมารำวงร้องวงวันลอยกระทงร้องวงวันลอยกระทงบุญจะส่งให้เราสุขใจบุญจะส่งให้เราสุขใจวันเพ็ญเดือน12น้ำก็นองเต็มตลิ่งเราทั้งหลายชายหญิงสนุกกันจริงวันลอยกระทงลอยลอยกระทง together ลอยลอยกระทงลอยลอยกระทงลอยลอยกระทงลอยกระทง